So let's talk about cleaning your solar panels. It seems pretty straightforward, right? Grab a hose, give them a good spray, and you're all set. But what if I told you that the way most people do it could actually be destroying their investment from the inside out?
And no, that's not an exaggeration. We're talking about a really delicate piece of technology, and one wrong move, well, it can have some seriously expensive consequences.
So, which is it? Let's figure that out. Today, we're going to dive into the hidden dangers of solar panel cleaning, and then I'll give you the definitive guide to doing it safely and doing it right.
But before we get to the right way to clean, we first have to talk about the most common and costly mistakes people make all the time. You might be wondering, why even bother? Well, this number right here is why. That's how much power you can lose from just a moderate layer of dust and grime. We're talking 5 to 15% of your panel's output just gone. That's a real hit to your energy production and, your wallet. So yeah, cleaning is absolutely essential, but how you do it, that's even more important. A lot of cleaning methods that seem like just plain common sense are, in reality, incredibly harmful. Let's break down the two biggest culprits.
It feels so satisfying, doesn't it? Just blasting away all that dirt with a pressure washer. It's fast, it's easy, and it looks like it's working perfectly. Unfortunately, it's also incredibly risky for your panels.
See, that intense pressure doesn't just get rid of the dirt, it can actually create tiny, invisible microcracks in the glass. It can also force water right past the seals and into the panel's frame, which can lead to all sorts of electrical damage down the road. The big takeaway here is what looks clean on the surface could be a slow-motion disaster happening underneath.
Now, this one seems logical too, right? It's bright out, you can see all the spots you missed, and the sun will dry the panels off super fast. But trust me, cleaning hot panels is one of the absolute worst things you can do. And this is exactly why. Think about taking a glass baking dish straight out of a hot oven and pouring cold water on it. What happens? It shatters instantly. The exact same thing happens to your solar panels. Hitting that hot glass with cold water creates a massive temperature shock. We call it thermal stress, and it can literally crack the glass right then and there. Okay, so those are the big mistakes. But what's the actual science behind the damage? Let's dig a little deeper into these hidden risks, starting with that term we just mentioned, thermal stress. So, when one part of the glass cools down and shrinks while the rest is still hot and expanded, crack. That uneven stress is what causes it to fracture. But, physical damage isn't the only thing you have to worry about. There's another, much more immediate danger: electricity.
This number? That's the voltage a single solar panel can produce, even on a cloudy day. A solar panel is never truly off as long as there's light hitting it. And while 30 or 40 volts might not sound like a huge number, it's about what a big car battery puts out. You mix that with water, and you've got a very real shock hazard on your hands.
And here's the real kicker. Your panels aren't working alone. They're all connected together. That means your entire array is producing a much higher, far more dangerous voltage. We're talking several hundred volts easily. You add water to that equation, and you have a recipe for a very, very serious electrical shock. All right, enough with the doom and gloom. Now that we know what not to do, let's put it all together. Here is the safe, effective, and expert-approved way to clean your panels that protects both you and your investment. Let's walk through this. First, and this is the most important step, power down your entire system at the inverter. That's the box that turns solar energy into power for your house. This is what eliminates that shock risk. Second, choose your tools wisely. We're talking a soft brush or a microfiber cloth only. Anything abrasive will create tiny scratches that add up over time. Third, the solution. If water isn't cutting it, use lukewarm, never cold water with just a drop of mild, pH-neutral soap. Harsh detergents can damage the panel's special coating. Fourth, clean gently. Start at the top and let gravity do some of the work for you. And finally, grab a clean cloth and dry the edges to keep water from getting in the frame, and just give everything a quick visual inspection. Okay, to wrap this all up, let's boil everything down into a simple, easy-to-remember checklist. Think of these as the absolute non-negotiables for safe solar panel cleaning. Look, if you forget everything else from this explainer, just remember this slide. Always power down first. Never, ever clean hot panels. Always use soft tools and mild soap. Never use high pressure. And please, if you're up on a roof, use proper safety gear. These rules will protect your warranty, they'll protect your panels, and most importantly, they will protect you. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Is saving a few minutes by taking a shortcut really worth a cracked panel, years of lost power, avoided warranty, or even a serious injury? Clean smart, be safe, and you'll protect that investment for years to come.